Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this tutorial we will learn how to create a pre-sale launchpad on Pinksale.finance. So first of all, choose the network you want to select, or so at this time I am using testnet BSC, and second, connect your wallet. So MetaMask. In previous video we create a token here on the Pinksale. If you create your own token, just copy your contract address and click here on the launchpads and create launchpad. Paste here your contract address. If you don't have any token, so you can create here on the Pinksale. Simply click here create token and you create a token as you want, meme coin or simple standard token. So I'm pasting here contract. So it's fetch auto data, name is defi, symbol is defi, and the decimal is 18. So the currency I want for the pre-sale BNB, and there is two options for the fees option. If you don't want to pay on Pinksale.finance, then if you collect the amount of the BNB in the fundraising, the 5% will be get Pinksale, and the other you can choose here 2% BNB plus 2% token sold. So leave it as 5% BNB raised only, and is auto listing and affiliate program. Make it disable if you want to, affiliate program enable. So any third person if refer your token, he will earn commission. So first we make it approve. At this time we are approving our tokens to Pinksale Finance. So in the next step we need some information like our social media links, our YouTube. So I will search here and open here any YouTube video link. For example, let me check my own channel, Daffy Dragon. Okay, so we can copy this address and click here on the next, and now we set the pre-sale rate here. This section is very important, and be careful and fill these options with all calculating how much token you want in the pre-sale. So for example, if someone spend 1 BNB, how many tokens he will receive? So I want 1000 token equal to 1 BNB, and you can choose here whitelist, enable or disable who can buy your tokens. If you want enable whitelist, so only whitelist users can buy your token. So here is the soft cap minimum amount, how much the amount of the BNB you want to raise. I will put here 50 BNB minimum and 100 maximum, and minimum buy we can set here like 0.10, and maximum we can put here 5 BNB. And refund type means if you cannot sell all the tokens, so here you can make it refund. The other remaining token will automatically transfer to your wallet. And the router, here you can ping swap testnet or pancake swap testnet, pancake. swap mainnet. So I will choose here testnet, so don't want me to. So the price, how much, if you collect 100 BNB, so how much BNB you will put in the liquidity. So minimum you can put 51%, so I will make it 51%. And pancake swap testnet listing rate. So this is the amount for the on the pancake swap or Pinkswap, any exchange, what price you will give the user. So I will give the user in, let me calculate what, wait a moment please. Yes, now I'm making here 8,000 if the aim of the pre-sale and to benefit the user who buy our tokens. So if someone buy from the pancake swap or any exchange, so I will give him 8,000, sorry, let me correct it, 800. So here on the pre-sale I am giving 1000 token equal 1 BNB, but when we add liquidity in our token, then the price will be 800 tokens equal 1 BNB. So here is the time where you want to start the time in the pre-sale. I want to start and just random. You can select here times when the pre-sale will start and when is will be end. Okay, start time needs to be before end time. What's wrong with this? Okay, and liquidity lockups, how many duration you are locking your LP tokens. So here you can lock your token for 30 days or 1 years and 6 months, whatever the period you want to lock your LP tokens, please mention here. And another, using vesting contribute. This means the after pre-sale finish, how user collect the tokens. If at this moment the pre-sale finish, user will collect all tokens he buy immediately. If you use vesting contributes, so you can set here the time period. For example, user buy 1000 token and when finish the pre-sale, he will collect 500 and 500 collect after 1 week. So I'm leaving it as, so I'm making it next. So here is the section we need to put here's the URL, logo, website link, and social links. So if you don't have logo of your token, so simply you can click here, upload here logo, choose any file and make it upload, and paste here the link you copy from this website. So I'm just Control Alt Control C. I'm trying to make it XYZ. Control C. I'm making it Control V. I'm leaving it blank. So YouTube video, and the descriptions, blah 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 blah. Yeah, anything you want to invalid video URL, the URL. Okay, just we don't need to make a channel link, we need a video link. Control C and paste here and make it next. Cannot submit by the follower error. Where is the error? For tokens with binary base, description must be okay. We have go back and make the right description. Okay, I'm copying this text and pasting here and make it next. Invalid URL. Where is the invalid URL? Maybe because I this logo is, let me finish it. Okay, copy the link address and paste here and make it next. Invalid URL. Why is telling me again? Description. Where is the URL? Is invalid. Website.com or make it another. Okay, next. So friends, I'm stucking here. Don't mind, just this is the simple process, and finish this all requirements and make it here submit. So your pre-sale will be live, and when the start will the times will arrive, your pre-sale will be starts. So that's it. These all requirements I describe here. Please, if have you any misunderstanding or any question, so you can ask me to join our Telegram group. You can find here down in the description video and contact me please.